What you doing?
Looking at trucks to buy. I would prefer. What's a stick shift too? Alright.
Got your ice cream there.
I'm definitely looking at the manual stick shift. That's not a bad beater, but not for fucking $5,000. How many miles are on it? Yeah, dude, you want a 6-cylinder, 4-wheel drive with almost 150,000 miles on it. He wants $5 grand for it. Oh, two. Yeah, right, dude. I want to get a beer so I can throw a plow on it. And I don't have to worry about my current truck now. Gonna beat up.
What kind of What kind of truck do you have now?
I want a Best or 03 Chevy Silverado. Right now, I'm losing anything that can beat the shit out of. It could be Ford, Dodge, Chevy, anything. I don't care.
As long as it's not your original truck.
Yeah, it's just gonna be something that can, beat your piss out of and put a plow on. Come on. And I guess make money off it. But they don't have any trucks that aren't cheap, unfortunately. And that 5 speeds are all automatics. Fucking pain in the ass. Let's try that. Oh, and just for the record, when it's 1,500, 2,500, 3,500. 1,500 is half ton. No, quarter ton. 2,500 is half ton. 15 is quarter. 2,500 is half ton. And 3,500 is 1 ton. That's what it stands for.
I didn't understand one word of that, but then again, I am horrible with machinery. Especially machinery talk.
I've been dealing with trucks for I'm 21, so 17, 18 years. You know everything pretty much about them. Inside and out. That's a nice truck though, if you eat them. Forgot it. Once you do off this fucking thing. Right home.
What's that truck look like? What the fuck are you looking at?
That's a lift of the hell fucking Ram. Holy shit.
Ooh, it's cold.
I don't want a fucking yellow truck either.
Yellow doesn't really look good on any car.
Ooh. says I got 95 GMC, 1500 4x4 5-speed. Truck has good tires, frame and body are decent. 315 motor, runs but knocks, that's fine. Truck yard drives but should be towed trailered. What the fuck? For more info, please call blah 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 blah. And he wants almost $1,000 for that.
Oh wow.
Engine knock. I don't need an engine issue with it. Whatever. It'll be getting fucking probably beating this shit anyways. Wait, what? It comes with a plow.
Well, that helps you out.
Yeah, sweet, yeah, right? 170,000 miles. How much do you want for this fucking piece of shit? Okay.
What?
That doesn't make any sense. It does need a speed sensor. Okay. Or a speed control sensor. Okay. I don't know. It's just from drive to second gear at low speed. Okay. Once you go 40 or above, it drives normal. Okay. It is habit changes the sensor and check light is on for O2 sensor. Other than that, I just put okay. That's not making any little bit of sense. But what about oh shit. Cummins 5-speed. Damn. Last two drive, fuck that. People do these days.
Excuse me.
Oh, I love them. This one's adding Craigslist for free used motor oil. Okay.
You know this is going on my YouTube channel, right?
Oh, what the fuck?
You're just going to need to show me how to put it on with my iPad.
That's fine.
As a matter of fact, I'll be right back. Just keep filming what you're doing or what you're looking at. I'm going to go get my password and...
So yeah, guys. It was quite interesting looking at fucking trucks here. Ooh, that's not a bad truck.